So this is a tangle that I really wanted to do a little spin on. Kind of reminds me of the bottom of a really flowy dress or skirt. So we start with 4 dots in the corner, create a border, breathing, light with the pen, light with the pressure. This is a great time to have gratitude and appreciation for the pen, the paper, whatever it is that you're grateful for. Now I'm drawing this kind of elongated U shape, and then I'm going to just do these little rounded edges all the way down to the corner. And I'm going to go ahead and ink this now. So you can see that I'm just creating the bottom of the dress. And so I'm going to ink over these rounded edges that I made at the bottom. And then I'm going to, you can already see one of the tethered lines drawn from the bottom of the rounded part of the skirt up to the top. And I'm going to do that at each one. And so I'm just going to come down, breathe. I'm not trying to do it in one motion of the pen. You can see that I will pick up the pen, set it back down, pick it up, set it back down. And it's okay if the pen doesn't completely match with where you set it down and pick it up, because when you shade it and all the extras that you'll do to it, you won't see that anyway. So just make sure you're breathing. Don't bite the inside of the cheek, clench the jaw. Just enjoy the moment. Now I'm gonna aura the bottom of this dress, and that's all I'm gonna do for it. And for me, it's a dress. It may be something totally different for you, but for me, it's a dress, and all I'm going to do is aura this. Now you can have some of them close together, far apart. For this one, I just did them kind of spaced apart a bit so that you could see the look that I'm going for. And so just enjoy this. So now that I have those done, I'm going to go ahead and put some pencil down. And I'm doing it right along those lines that I drew from the bottom to the top. And I'm taking the tortillon and I'm just blending over that line. I'm not doing it over the top of the actual rounded sections. I'm just doing it right over that original line. And then this is what happened when I added quite a bit more shading. I re-inked with the pen a little bit. So let me know what you think of this. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, this can be as detailed as you want it to be. You can add so much extra to this to really have it pop and look differently. So enjoy it. But go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. And don't forget, it's okay to go outside the lines. See you next time. Bye-bye.